Okay, so the YUNSA is to some extent YUNSA is still a new company. So we founded in 2021. So we highly focused on the large size and cylindrical cell making, such as 4680, 4695, and 46120, 46140. So those are large size cylindrical cells. Yeah, mainly focused on that. Yeah. So we position us as the first charging leader on the world for cylindrical cells and aimed at those niche applications, like those applications requiring high rate performance or sometimes low temperature applications. Yeah. Because the first driver should be the market needs. So as more and more, the people pay attention to the green energy and the environmental protection much more than before. So that is the first driver. And the second driver to reshape the industry is the technology progress. So for example, we are highly focused on the large size and cylindrical cells. That batteries feature the high rate performance, the low temperature performance with the timeless structure. So this is the best option for those special applications like high temperature or low temperature or ultra high, ultra fast charging or discharging applications. So that will fully meet our customers' needs in the special applications. Yeah. Right. So in the past, maybe more than 4 Ks. So we have been working hard to improve the capacity and the rate performance and the combination of high capacity and high rate performance. So that is pretty difficult to balance. And in this, the cylindrical cell is the best format to balance the high capacity and high rate. Again, with the heavily structure, so we can introduce the high nickel crystal material and high silicon content alloyed materials. Then we can improve the high rate performance in a parallel with the high capacity. That is a good balance. Yeah. Right. As we talked before, we introduced the high nickel cathode material and high silicon content material. These two kinds of the materials are not perfect with the high nickel or high silicon content materials. So it's likely to generate gas, but a cylindrical cell and this kind of battery format is the best option to tolerate gas generation. So it's the best format to improve the chemistry system. And then to improve the capacity in a parallel with the high rate performance. So comparing with the prismatic and pouch cells, cylindrical cell is still the best option. So this is the way we improve the capacity and the balance and the rate performance and the balance, the two key factors. Yeah, we already won the contract from one of the top Chinese car maker. Yeah, to make passenger cars. We supply them with the full battery pack. This is the first customer in the car industry. We already won the contract from State Grid or sometimes other electricity companies to support them with the large scale energy storage system. Yeah. Mainly Europe. So this is the second time for us to attend this battery show. We already established a very close collaboration with some European customers who make battery packs for their special applications like mining car, like unmanned aircraft. So we already started the business in Europe. So for now, the background is that YUNSA is still a medium-sized company. So we still need to cross the cultural barrier between the other countries and China. And also we need to comply with the local regulations. So that is still the biggest obstacle, for us, to overcome. Usually we will be focused on the long-term cooperation. So that usually we sign the long-term, joint R&D project with our partners. So support them with the tailored solutions. We are a medium-sized company, so we have the resources, to support them, and is willing to be flexible. Yeah. Yeah, that's a very good question. I have been working in the battery industry for more than 30 years. So we know the other chemistry systems like other energy devices like hydrogen energy, solar energy. So that till now, lithium-ion battery is still the best solution for energy storage system in terms of the technical reason and the economical reason. So it's still the best option. Maybe from 10 years or 20 years from now, we can say the more energy system, but until now, still the number one. Yeah, the first option. So in the future, maybe hydrogen or other system. So the recycling business already started. Yeah, especially in the China is already booming. It's booming for now because in China we have the most electric cars on the way. We already established the closed loop industry, especially the recycling business. Yeah, this is to reuse the materials. So it's an emerging market. It's very promising. Yeah. This was a good question following the previous question. So as we said, till now, even in the next 10 or 20 years, lithium-ion battery is still the best option for energy storage system. But inside the battery industry, we still the technology is keep evolving always. So in the next decade or even 2 decades, we may see some new technology, lithium-ion battery technology like solid state, like a semi-solid state battery, is so-called mixed electrolyte and lithium-ion batteries. We will be pretty happy to see the new technology and new products emerging in this market. Yeah, in next decade or 2 decades.